How long it takes to complete a single pothole repair from start to finish depends mostly on preparation and repair method. A quick repair for a typical driveway or low traffic area using cold mix can be done in under 1 hour if you prepare efficiently. Start by removing loose debris and water with a stiff broom and, if needed, a hand tamper to expose firm edges. Drying with a cloth or towel speeds compaction. For best results, square off the pothole edges with a cold chisel or spade so the patch sits against solid pavement and does not bridge a void. Fill the hole with cold mix in layers no deeper than 2 inches at a time, tamping each layer with a hand tamper or the bottom of a heavy tool until the material is firm and slightly proud of the surface to allow for settlement. For a more permanent fix on higher traffic areas, use hot patch or a professional infrared repair, which requires heating equipment and can take longer but bonds to the existing pavement and often lasts years longer. Always compact thoroughly. Poor compaction is the main cause of early failure, so spend as much time tamping as you did filling. Common mistakes slow the job or cause failures, and there are straightforward remedies. People often skip cleaning the hole and simply dump material in which causes the patch to fail quickly. Take the extra 5 to 10 minutes to clean and dry the cavity before filling. Another mistake is overfilling without staged compaction, which looks finished but will settle and leave a depression. Avoid that by layering and tamping until the patch is solid. Finally, using the wrong material for traffic conditions leads to rapid breakdown. Use cold mix for emergencies and low-use surfaces, and reserve hot mix or professional infrared repairs when long life and vehicular load matter. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project timelines, so we help set realistic expectations for repairs like pothole fixes. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share tips, timelines, and trusted local contacts so contractors can find work and homeowners can find practical advice.